Hello friends, welcome to our channel Google Tech India 1.0 YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling you to how to create the video from the PPT. Most of them they don't know how to convert the PPT to video. It's very simple to make a video from the PPT. You must have at least one personal computer or PC or laptop. Now you can open your PowerPoint. I have PowerPoint 2013 version in my laptop. So I'm going to open the PPT right now, PowerPoint presentation. Once you have opened the PPT, you can see this display on your monitor. Once you have opened your PPT, then save that file by using any names that you want to write there. I'm going to give some name here. Just I'm going to give PPT2 video. The reason for saving the file at the beginning, after writing or after changing something on your PowerPoint, if unfortunately power cut or shut down your computer, your file will be lost. That is the reason I'm telling you to save the file in the beginning. Once you open the file, you can see this display, and then you can write anything you want to write in your PPT. Just I'm going to write here, welcome to Google Tech India 1.0. If you want to convert picture to video, it's very simple to make animation videos from the PPT. After writing something on your PPT, there is an option at the top of the presentation. You can see the font, change font. There are multiple options are there in the PowerPoint section. You can see there are multiple options are there. You can choose any one of them as per your desire. Just I'm going to change the size of the words I have written here. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications in future in case I uploaded any videos. If you want to change the design of your template, just you can visit to the design section. In the design section, you can able to find lot of options to change your design of your template. Just to see, I'm changing some designs which is default on the PowerPoint. You can move the words by dragging the box, that text box which is called as text box. Just hold it there and then move it here and there, and once you have decided to keep the words, then you can leave the text box. Yes, I have already um, downloaded some picture, and then I'm going to put in the PowerPoint section to show you how to convert the PPT to videos. If you want to create any videos, you can simply follow this process. In addition, if you want to know more about the conversion of PPT to video, please leave your comments in the comment section. Once you have placed the picture on the template, go to the animation section. You can find lot of options there. Choose any one of them which you like. Okay, I have selected for that picture to move while the video is playing, friends. Okay, just copy the second picture. I'm going to copy the another picture to place it here. Look here, I have downloaded one cat file from the internet. Just you can paste it here. If you want to zoom out or zoom in, you can do it here. Just I'm going to place another dog video, dog picture, which is look like so pretty. See how it's looking. Just you can cancel that text box and then copy the image. In this video I'm going to make only 5 slides, not more than that. If I do more than 5 slides, it will take some more time. To reduce the time consumption, I have made only 5 slides to convert PPT to video. These video will be very useful to students. If you want to show any uh, project files, you can follow these simple method to convert your photo to video. You can play this video anywhere. Yes, after placing every pictures on the slides, then you can go to the animation section. If you would like to show the animation to your audience, just you can select. You can able to find multiple options in this section, animation sections. You are looking here. Just I have selected each pictures to show the animated pictures. You can also able to record the audio for every slides. You can see here, record audio for your slides. Each slides you can record audios. Just you can put a mic or earphone to the or you can connect the earphone to the laptop. Then you can talk whatever you want to mention about that video. You can record. Once you have done the recording process, you must save the files each and every steps. If you don't forget to save your files will be lost after making some changes. Yes, you are looking here. Just I have showed you the preview of this PowerPoint presentation. Like this, you can also able to make this PowerPoint slide on your device. Yes, at the end of the slides I'm going to write just thank you. Whenever you are going to present something in front of the audience, just write thank you at the end of your PowerPoint presentation. Or you can write it there, thank you so much for coming here. Like this, you can write it anything you want to mention on your slides, friends. Yes, once you have done it there, you can save these files on your device. You can save it in desktop or C drive, not C drive, E or F drive. Okay, then once you have saved the option, you can able to see the export option. Okay, export option, create a video. You can see here the export option, then create a video. Then you can see HD display, computer HD display. Okay, there are two options will be available, 1220 into 750. Okay, just choose and then Select the file type, mp4 format. Once you have done this process on your device, you can able to create a video on your device by simple method, friends. It's very easy. I will be showing you the demo how I have created the video and how the video will look like at end of the process. Just you can see, just I'm going to select, I'm going to open the file right now. You can see the PowerPoint has been converted into video. Yes, you can make beautiful videos by using the PPT. You don't want to buy any costly cameras to capture videos. If you have the pictures, you can do it very well on your device, friends, without having any cameras. Okay, these video will be very useful to all. If you want to know something about how to create more beautiful videos by using the PPT, please leave your comments in the comment section. I will get back you shortly, friends. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.